Okay, lawn fans, you ready? It's a brand new season. It's the 2024 spring season. And in case you're a first-time watcher, this is a I do not sell products channel. I tell you about my lawn, things I'm doing in my lawn, tell you things I'm successful with. If you like it, you can try it. If you don't, you ain't got to. So I started off this summer burning the yard, and I was not very successful at burning the yard off. 3 different tries, and it just wouldn't catch. One had to do with humidity. The second one, I think the ground was too wet. The third one, I have no idea. Until today, I had no idea. Then I figured it out. My lawn was just too thick, still left over from last year. So what did I do? I took the verticutter out. I cut it a couple different ways with the verticutter, and I got it thinned out a lot. I probably took, I don't know, 6 bags off this thing. I am also new this season going to be helping my neighbor out over here. I'm taking over his side lot. So we will be doing this area this upcoming season too, just to make it transition and look good for him. I also have zoysia in the backyard. I'm not really going to talk about too much of that today. Well, not at all. I've scalped it. It's looking good. It's coming in quicker than the Bermuda. I got out here today and did all this because I was getting a nice green haze coming across the top of it. And so it needed to be taken care of. This area over here, the former putting green, dog park, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be verticutting this thing probably, I don't know, maybe weekly this year, just to see what kind of difference that makes if I verticut it all the time and keep it cut short. I just like to experiment with that. But what are my plans for right now? I put out a 10-10-10 on the lawn, just a generic 10-10-10, and watered it in. I burned it, like I said, 3 times. Didn't work, so I had to come through here, verticut, and scalp it down. What are my plans coming up? I am going to put down, I believe it is a 2702. I believe that's what the product is. Good blast of nitrogen. When am I gonna do that? When the last chance of a freeze comes through here. We got a chance of it getting pretty cold tonight, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's it for a frost or a freeze spell. I never plant plants. I never do anything as far as gardening until May the 1st. And usually May the 1st is a good guideline for us to use here in Georgia as far as you're free or of any worry about a frost, freeze, anything like that coming through. Tonight, probably what will happen is it'll burn the tips on a lot of my landscaping I got around here. Knock it back a little bit, but it's gonna come on back through once the warm weather gets here. It's not gonna kill it. So that's about it. Not much else going on. Today is St. Patty's Day, so happy St. Patty's Day to all you guys. The lawn looks ugly right now, but that's because multiple burns and also me scalping it down. So that's it. Bermuda Brian, out.